What is up, guys? As you can see, we are here at this beautiful showroom where you have all these Lotus cars, including the classic cars right here. Can you imagine? This is how it used to look like, and that is how it is currently looking like. So amazing transition, classic all the way to the modern. Damn unique. So we are here and we're going to check out the Lotus Emeya in Akoya white. Check this car out, guys. Beautiful gloss black wheels. We're going to talk about the appearance and how the way this car looks from the exterior. Then we're going to jump right into the interior. So let us first start off with the front of the car. Now I understand half of the car is lighted up, as you can see, and the back part, of course, there's no light shining, so it's a bit in the shade, but nevertheless it does look really good indeed. So let's start off with the front. This is where your DRL actually will be located at. Now the car is currently not with the lights turned on, so you can't really tell, but down here you got your main headlights that will actually turn on. Just check out how sleek it looks. Unable to tell, right, that there's going to be a light right there, but that's what we're going to do right now, which is to turn on and show you guys how does the lights actually look like. So right here, as you can see, I've opened up the doors and turned on the lights, and check that out, guys. Check out the amazing lights. The headlights are hiding right underneath right here. So you got some airflow happening right there at the side for air to flow through. You got the bottom piece right here, which also opens up for air to go in for cooling purposes for your battery. Your number plate goes right there. You got your front camera located right there as well. You got your beautiful Lotus badging right on the car in yellow, contra with the car. You got some black finishing at the top right here to make it look as sporty as you can get. Got some lines right there on the left side, the right side. Check that out. Amazing. So the bumper, I love how the openings are like that, so it makes it look very edgy and very sharp. Gorgeous. So let's start off with the front wheels. Here you got your amazing tire size 265 40R21. So 21-inch wheels. We got some drill disc brakes with some black calipers right there. Lotus badging in yellow. You got your multi-spoke, sort of like a black finish of a wheel. Love it. You got your beautiful side gloss black of a finish of a side skirting, I would say. Amazing design. You got the black finishing right here with some camera system right there. You also got this black side mirror, doesn't follow the body color, which looks absolutely nice. The whole half part of the car is in a black finish, so that's what makes it look even more low and sleek. And also I like how it just cuts and makes it look sharp on top right here. Can you see what I mean? Just looks very nice. So let's open up the doors and show you guys what's on the inside part right here. So amazing interior. As you guys can tell, Jasper interior is what you guys are getting for this car, and the finishing of this car is superbly nice. Very soft and nice to be sitting in, guys. Absolutely nice. So you got your suede-like finish of the interior. You got this fabric-like finish of an interior as well. CAF audio sound system, 15 speakers in the car. Carbon fiber finishing on this side. You got your manual handle to open up the door right here. Gorgeous. So the interior, once again, ACBC logo right there. Amazing sitting position. You got your Emeya lighted up black. Let's sit right in, show you guys how the view is like. It's super comfortable, super sleek, and damn nice, guys. Check out the top right here. Love the texture-like finish. You got your ambient lighting, 64 colors on the inside. Got the screen right here, which you can turn off if you wish to, or just tap again to leave it on. Radio station, the music will play. You can change it as well. And the glove compartment is hidden, but you got a button right here. Opens up. Amazing. So NFC wireless charging for your phone, or either you can put a key card for you to start and go. Amazing screen right there. You got your center mirror, which is frameless, and also you got your mirror right there. Check that out. Glass roof right at the top. You can choose to adjust it all from here, guys. Amazing. Check that out. Check that out, dude. Damn cool. So you can change it to however you wish to. It's just amazing, dude. So clear. Or you can make it in full matte. It's totally up to you. So this car right here, it doesn't have a wing, but if it has a wing, you can actually choose to lift it off and put it back down. So carbon fiber finishing right here, gear changing right here. You got your lock unlock system together with your climate control adjustments. Place to keep some stuff down here. You got your cup holder right here, and then you got some compartment storage down here with your two Type-C connectivities. Damn cool. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat. Seatbelts are in black. Fantastic. So let's get right down and take a look at the rear. Space for the rear is absolutely nice as well. You got your gorgeous finish of the interior as well here. You got your Emeya side plaque lighted up. Blue ambient lighting right now, that's a setting. Carbon fiber finishing over here. Carpets on this car will be installed later on, but ambient lighting on this side right here. Gorgeous finish. Let's get right in. Take a look. Love the lighting right there as well. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear. Seat belts are in black, as I mentioned. Down here you get your cup holder. Amazing indeed. So let's open this up. Sorry, close it back up. So let's move to the center. Check out the headroom. Fantastic. So down here you get your other settings for you to control. Beautiful view that you guys are seeing from here. The glass roof looks fantastic as well. So now let's get right down. Electronic button to open up, manual one right here. So let's open this up and let's get right down. So check out the rear wheels. They're using Pirelli tires once again. 305/35 R21. Drill disc brakes for the rear. You got your Lotus brake calipers in black. Lotus wheel caps in yellow. Love the black gloss that's happening on this car also as well. Absolutely nice. So this is a glass roof right on top. Amazing indeed. No railing. Beautiful glass roof right on top there, guys. So check out the rear. Lotus in chrome. You got your Emeya 600 wording right there. Number plate goes right there. Absolutely fantastic. Gloss black rear diffuser to make it look as aggressive as you can get. So let's open up the rear and take a look right here. Amazing finish for the rear boot space. Compartment storage down here. You got your warning triangle together with your tire repair kit. The rear seats you can fold down. There's a shade right here that you can choose to pull so that you can cover the glass so that people don't see what's happening right there on the inside. Let's fold down the seats to show you guys the space for this part right here. So amazing storage space that you guys are getting for a car like this. This is a GT Grand Tourer, so you do have a lot of space that you guys can utilize when it comes to carrying things on the inside. But check out the glass roof right on top. Amazing appearance, guys, for this car. Beautiful look. Love it. So let's close the boot right down and check that out. Oof. Beautiful. So let's jump right into the driver's seat and take a look at the amazing finishing of the steering wheel. You got your head-up display right at the front right there. Amazing screen right here. You got your carbon fiber finishing right here, as I mentioned. The gear. You got your regen braking on the left, drive mode on your right. You got your sport pedals and your brake pedals and accelerator pedals in this sporty finish. So chrome finishing all over the place. Love it. Amazing head-up display. And yeah, car looks fantastic, dude. Amazing indeed. Let's turn on the hazard lights to show you guys. Now signal lights are right here. You get at the bottom here also as well. And of course the DRLs are right on top. But if you turn off the signal lights, that's exactly where it goes lah. So damn cool indeed. What about the back part? Love the color of the car, Akoya white. So you do get the rear in this sort of finish. Looks absolutely gorgeous, man. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Lotus cars, do head down to Glenmary. These people have a lot of different colors on display, a lot of different options that you guys can choose from. And of course, dude, just check out these two classic gorgeous looking cars, man, dude. From what it was to what it is right now, I mean, it's just amazing, dude. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.